Hey Mark, how's it going?
Hey, Adam. I'm doing okay, but I've been feeling a bit overwhelmed lately.
Oh no, what's been bothering you?
Well, I've been having trouble maintaining discipline in my life. I've been staying up late at night and it's been affecting my productivity and overall well-being.
I see. Maintaining discipline is definitely important for staying focused and achieving our goals. Maybe we can brainstorm some strategies to help you get back on track.
That would be great. I really want to break this habit and start living a more disciplined lifestyle.
First of all, it's important to establish a consistent sleep schedule. Try to go to bed and wake up at the same time every day, even on weekends.
That makes sense. I've been staying up late watching TV or browsing the internet, so I'll try to set a bedtime for myself and stick to it.
You can also create a bedtime routine to help you wind down and relax before going to sleep. This can include activities like reading a book, taking a warm bath, or practicing relaxation techniques like deep breathing.
That's a good idea. I've heard that having a bedtime routine can signal to your body that it's time to sleep.
Another thing you can do is to limit your exposure to screens before bedtime. The blue light emitted by electronic devices can interfere with your body's natural sleep-wake cycle, so try to avoid using your phone or computer at least an hour before bed.
I'll definitely try to cut back on screen time before bed. Maybe I can read a book instead of scrolling through social media.
Lastly, make sure your sleep environment is conducive to restful sleep. Keep your bedroom dark, quiet, and cool, and invest in a comfortable mattress and pillows.
That's good advice. I'll try to make my bedroom a more relaxing and comfortable space for sleep.
Remember, breaking habits takes time and patience, so don't be too hard on yourself if you slip up occasionally. The important thing is to stay committed to making positive changes and to keep working towards your goals.
Thanks for the support, Sarah. I really appreciate it. I'm determined to break this habit and start living a more disciplined life.
You've got this, Mark. I believe in you. Just take it one day at a time and don't give up.
Thanks, Adam. I'll keep you updated on my progress. Let's check in with each other regularly and hold each other accountable.
Sounds like a plan. We can support each other on our journey towards a more disciplined life.
Definitely. Thanks again for the advice, Adam. You're a great friend.
No problem, Mark. I'm always here to help. Let's do this together.